Today, Office is on over 1 billion PCs around the world, and 40 million customers are paying for Microsoft Cloud services. But really, this is just the beginning. Office 365 lets us take our Office suite and all of the servers that go along with it and move those to the cloud with a world-class productivity service that really will define the next generation of productivity.
No other online service can provide the rich productivity capabilities of Office 365. The ease of use and depth of services of Office, combined with the communication and collaboration capabilities of Exchange Online, SharePoint Online, and Lync Online, deliver incredible benefits for organizations of all sizes.
For the first time, companies of all sizes can really get to enterprise-class software integrated together the way we designed it.
I'm personally excited about the new service that we're introducing to professionals and small businesses. Businesses that do not have formal IT staff, but have big business needs for communication and collaboration. Small businesses need to be able to have services that are easy to use and easy to use quickly. With the introduction of Office 365, we are providing a service that enables small businesses to get up and running in a matter of minutes.
I used to be a Microsoft CIO, and Office 365 is exactly the product I wanted to see as a CIO. An online service that I could rely on that had enterprise-class capabilities that could serve my users around the world. Office 365 means that we are there for you 365 days a year, 7 by 24. Whether that's the service, the reliability of the service, the availability, or support for you. We have financially backed uptime guarantees that gives you money back if we don't meet our commitments to you.
One of the things I love is that I can share my work with others through the broadcast capabilities of PowerPoint. Right from within PowerPoint, I'm able to initiate a broadcast that's accessible to my colleagues, whether they're working on a PC or accessing the information from a mobile device.
With SharePoint Online, there's just so many wonderful collaboration scenarios that we're unlocking for our customers. One of my personal favorites is the My Site capabilities, where every employee in an organization has their own personal site that they get to customize. They can add their documents, they can add status updates for what they're working on. And some people really think of it as sort of a Facebook for the enterprise, where you get your own place to share what's going on, and then other people can comment on what you're doing, can follow you, can tag your information, and it really just makes it so easy for people to find each other in an organization and connect and collaborate in ways that they never could before.
I love the powerful capabilities of Exchange Online. They not only help me be more productive in organizing the mail that I receive, managing my inbox to be more effective, manage my calendar with partners and colleagues, no sacrifice.
A great example of how the power of the rich client like Office and the power of the back-end servers like SharePoint or Link comes together is a scenario that we would often refer to as co-authoring. That is when you're using Word 2010 or PowerPoint 2010, multiple people can open the same document all at the same time.
One of the things I love about Link is that it enables people and businesses to work across distances. The ability to have that very simple capability to have PC to PC audio or video conversations, the ability to have presence and instant message capabilities to enable me to work with people around the world. Very powerful capabilities delivered with Office 365.
At the core, Office 365 helps you save money, and it makes you far more productive. The really exciting thing is that Office 365 delivers our products the way we intended them to be delivered, integrated together and providing the richest capabilities you can possibly imagine across end users' PCs, their phones, and their browsers. Learn more today by signing up for the beta at office365.com, or you can talk to one of our 16,000 partners, or follow us and stay engaged on Facebook and Twitter.
You have big ideas to streamline your business and drive sales through the roof. But to get there, your ideas need business apps. And business apps have always been too expensive, especially in times like these. Behind each one is a world of complexity. They need a data center with office space, power, cooling, bandwidth, networks, servers, and storage. A complicated software stack, and a team of experts to install, configure, and run them. You need development, testing, staging, production, and failover environments. And when there's a problem, good luck. You call technical support, and they don't know, so they blame someone else. Oh, and when new versions come out, you would upgrade, but that might bring the whole system down. Now, this is for one app. When you multiply these headaches across dozens or hundreds of apps, it's easy to see why the biggest companies with the best IT departments aren't getting the apps they need. Small businesses don't have a chance. Cloud computing is a better way to run your business. Instead of running your apps yourself, they run on a shared data center. You just plug in, like a utility. This makes it fast to get started and it costs less. It's like Gmail compared to Microsoft Exchange. With Gmail, do you need servers and storage? No. Do you need a technical team to keep it up and running? No. Do you have to do upgrades? No. When you use any app that runs in the cloud, you just log in, customize it, and start using it. That's the power of cloud computing. This model is so much better, it's changing the way we think about software. Not just for consumer apps, it's also being used for business apps. We call this enterprise cloud computing. Businesses are running all kinds of apps in the cloud these days, including custom-built apps. Why? Because you can be up and running in a few days, which is unheard of with traditional business software. They cost less because you don't need to pay for all the people, products, and facilities to run them. And it turns out they're more scalable, more secure, and are more reliable than the vast majority of apps out there. Here's why. They're based on an architecture called multi-tenancy. With a multi-tenant app, there isn't a copy of the app for each business that's using it. It's one app that everyone shares. But it's flexible enough for everyone to customize for their specific needs. It's like a giant office building where everyone shares the infrastructure and services, like security, yet each business can customize their own office space. This means apps are elastic. They can scale up to tens of thousands of users or down to only a few. Upgrades are taken care of for you, so your apps get security and performance enhancements and new features automatically. Now, the way you pay for cloud apps is also different. Forget about buying servers and software. When your apps run in the cloud, you don't buy anything at all. It's all rolled up into a predictable monthly subscription, so you only pay for what you use. Finally, cloud apps don't eat up your valuable IT resources, so your CFO will love it. And you can focus on projects that really impact the business, like deploying more apps. Cloud computing is a simple idea, but it can have a huge impact on your bottom line.
Ray here.
Hi Ray, this is Wendy. Can I get you to hop on video conference real quick?
Yeah. Yeah, I can jump on. Oh, there you are.
I could really use your input on this one.
Oh, yeah. I know this guy.
Looks great. I need you to run it by the architect.